Just listed, a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom ranch home featuring an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, granite counters, stainless steel appliances, first floor primary suite with bath and seated shower, custom walk-in closet with built-ins, large sunroom, family room, full finished basement with recreation room and plenty of storage, home generator, large 2-car garage, beautifully landscaped yard, lawn irrigation with its own well, large rear porch made with composite decking, and a large storage shed in the backyard. It is being sold turnkey and ready to use with all contents. Just bring your clothes. It is priced to sell and is conveniently located in the community of Aydelotte Estates with low homeowner association fees, and just minutes from shopping, restaurants, and the beaches in downtown Rehoboth Beach, Lewes, and Cape Henlopen State Park. Call for an appointment today.